Congratulate the newlywed couple in your life with a framed memento of their save the date card. It's super easy. We'll show you how to do it in just a few steps. Grab the save the date card and some decorative background paper. You're going to want to measure each piece according to the desired dimensions of your frame. Once you've measured and cut your pieces to your desired art size, place the save the date in the center of your background paper and measure each side to make sure your card is centered. Once you're happy with the placement, it's time to secure your card to the background paper. We chose to use an acid-free framer's tape for this process in order to preserve and keep the save the date card free of any discoloration or damage over time. For an extra touch of personalization, feel free to add any decorative elements like ribbons, stickers, or embellishments on your background paper or mat board. Get creative and make it truly unique. Now that your art is safe and secure, it's time to grab your frame and put it all together. Once you've inserted your art, make sure everything is aligned and secure within the frame. Double check for any smudges or imperfections. Once you're satisfied, close the back of the frame and give it a gentle shake to ensure everything stays in place. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've transformed a save the date card into a cherished wedding gift.